Hi everybody, so I want to show you how this tote bag, this chopping bag is made. So I'll be showing everything, the sewing, the cutting, the pattern drafting of how I made this beautiful tote bag. See the bottom, see the full view. So I'll be walking you through detailed video on how I made it. So this is me. So the measurement I use here is 28 inches. 28 inches for the length. 28 inches by 18 inches. 28 inches by 8. So the length is 28 while the width is 18. So I got the half of the length, that will be 14 inches. You can see it, that's half. So this one that I cut out that I'm showing you, I measured 4 inches, 2 to the other side, 2 to this side, so that is 4 inches, and I went in by 2. I went in by 2. So what I cut out was 4 for the length and 2 inches. So the other side here, you can see me, I cut that too out. So we have the base cut out. So from the tip here, you get the center. You get the center of the tip. And here okay, from the upper part I came down by 1 inch. You can see you go in by 1 inch and you rule it. The other side too, I will do the same thing to the other side. You go in by 1 inch because that I will have to fold that inside. So I went in by 1 inch. Okay, so now I'm back, and you can see that is how I'm going to fold it. You can see it, that is how we will be folding it, and inside of it, on the folding, there will be zipper. You can see the black zipper, so I'll just fold on the zipper. So the zipper will be the closure for the bag. So now I'll go to the sewing machine to sew that down. So this is me. You can see I've sewn it down. You can see it. So at this other edge, I did not let it get to the end of the leather. I left like 2 inches so that will be up. You can see how I did it. So just watch through the video. So now I'm cutting out another strip. This is 28 inches long. The strip is 28 inches long by 2 inches. 28 by 2 inches. So I'll be cutting 2 of that, two different pieces on that. So you can see I will just fold it in and sew it like that. So after sewing, I would have 1 inch. So this is it after I've sewn it. So I just fold it into 2 and run the stitch through the center. So I've sewn one, I will go and sew the second one. So after sewing, I'll be left with 1 inch because I cut out 2 inch, but after sewing it, it will be 1 inch. So now to attach the handle, the first thing is you fold your leather into 2 to get the center. You can see it. I'm trying to get the center here. So once I've gotten the center, from the center now I'll be going out by 3.5 to this side and 3.5 to the other side. So when you measure everything now, we'll be having 7 inches. You can see it's 7 inches. So from the tip, you go in by 3.5. I would go in by 3.5 just to know where the placement of the handle will be. So the other side too, I will go in by 3.5. So if you like, I'm going by 4, but in this video I went in by 3.5. So you can see how I'm going to place my handle. So in between that, there is 7 inches gap in between the handle. So 3.5 to this side, 2.5 to that side, so I have 7. So I will go now and sew a bit. You will not, the sewing will not get to the top of the bag. So you can see it here that I have sewn it. Just sew it like 2 inches and you leave the rest. So you can see it, I have sewn it here. So the next thing is to fold it into 2 and run a stitch through the edge. So this place where there is excess zip, you will keep the zip aside and sew it. The other side too, I would sew it down. So I've gone to the sewing machine now to sew it, and here I am back here. So you can see what I've sewn, just half inch sewing. So the next thing is to open the side up and sew it to the bottom, so that we can know it's a cut together with the base to get the side. So I will just run my stitch like this on both sides, and here I have done that. You can see what we have here. So that bottom side, you can use your taping belt to tape it, and you can just leave it like that because it is a shopping bag, a bag that can be used for shopping. And let's assume you want to travel on a 2-day journey, 1-day journey, you can just put your essentials in it and you are good to go. So now I'm trying to turn it to the right side. It is a very simple bag to make, so I'm trying to turn it to the right side here. You use your hand to bring out all the shapes. You can see our bag. So it is a very beautiful bag here. So the next thing is to fix the zip edge. So I will bring my zip edge now. I will be fixing it at the one that I left excess. So the excess you will leave, just like 3 to 4 inches is okay. So you just fix in your zip edge. So here I'm trying to fix in my zip edge here, and yes, I've done it and I've zipped it. So you can see, so your essentials, your load are secured. It's not as if it is left open at the top. So it is secured. You can keep your essentials in it and they would be safe. So I want to pack in some to stock it up, so you see how it is. You see the beauty, you see the things it can accommodate. So I'm trying to put in some materials so you can see the bag. It is a very big bag. Oh yes, at least it can contain 2 complete wrapper with blouse. Yes, so the remaining, the zip, the edge of the zip, the excess part, I want to lock it up so that the zip head will not be coming out of it. So I'm cutting just a little strap of leather, so I will just put it on it to sew it down and cover it. So I'm just trying to sew the zip on the leather on the zip, and voila, we are through. So you can see our beautiful bag. So I would be looking forward to see your practice. Send me videos of what you made. Carry, and it is so easy to make. So I'll be looking forward to see your work.